Hi, in today's video, I'm going to talk about Dubsado 3.0's new dashboard and how you can customize it. If we haven't met, I'm Emma. I'm a certified Dubsado specialist, and I help service-based business owners streamline their client experience in Dubsado so their business is easier to run. So let's get started. This is the dashboard. I'm using a test account, so I don't have certain things like the logo or my calendar connected, but let's go through it. So here you can search projects or contacts the way you could at the very top in 2.0. So if I look up a test client, I can quickly find them. You can send a new message, so a new email real quick, new task, you can create a new project. So these are all like quick actions you can take. You can see projects that you've recently visited. So this was like the last one that I opened. You can see form activities, so forms that have been completed or sent. These are items that are waiting on you. So that would be like counter signatures or workflow approvals would show up here. This is your connected calendar. The events would show up here. Or if your calendar is not connected, any appointment that's been booked using Dubsado Scheduler. Here's your projects, your invoices, tasks. These are workflow tasks, finance reports here, and then project reports. So with the finance reports, you can look at different date ranges to see, quarter to date. So January 1st till now, and you can see these different numbers. So this is a lot more comprehensive than what is in Dubsado 2.0, which now, if I remember correctly, it's like payments received, open invoices, and then how this period compares to the last. Here, there's a lot more that you can see. You can see like overdue and pending. These are super helpful. Expected revenue, this is probably open invoices, and this is what I've earned so far in this account. And then project reports, conversion rate is which projects have a payment versus all projects that have been created in that same time period. So in the last 30 days, how many projects have received payment versus how many projects have been created, which is a good way to calculate that. I know different people calculate it different ways, but this is pretty accurate. And then again, you can compare different date ranges. And then if you click on each one of these, you can get a bit more info. So that's kind of nice, right? Chart of accounts is there. And then if I go back all the way down and I click there, you get a little bit different. So yeah, you can see like all of your sources and where are they coming from. And then the cool thing is that you can also determine what you want to display. So for instance, in this account, since I don't have the calendar, maybe I want to hide that. Or maybe I don't want to get tasks because I'm getting emails for those tasks already. You can also drag and drop things. Maybe I want to move these up here so you can see that they're up here now. Waiting on you is super helpful. And 2.0 was kind of like when you'd log in, you'd see one contract waiting for counter signature or one workflow waiting for approval or things like that. That's really nice to have there front and center. And that's basically it. This is how you can customize your dashboard, make it work for you. There are a lot more features here in 3.0 than there were in 2.0, so that's super helpful. And if you're getting started with Dubsado, I have a free download. It's a Dubsado 101 checklist. It takes you through all the different settings and templates that you need to create to start using Dubsado with your clients. I have videos that you can follow along with for each of the steps so that it's easier to get it all done. And if you need help setting up Dubsado, you've been in business for a while, you have consistent clients coming in, you have a clear idea of the client process you want to take people through, but it's all kind of in here, and you want to turn it into an automated system that saves you time and allows you to scale, let's talk. With the Dubsado setup, I help you map out your client process, and then I build all the templates, workflows, so that's all automated and streamlined and saves you lots of time. So if that sounds like you, you can go to my website and book a discovery call and we can chat. I'll see you next time.